Hello, Lance Getch here, Southeast Iowa agronomist for DeKalb Asgrow. Today I'm going to talk to you briefly about both moisture and GDU accumulation in the state of Iowa over the last several weeks. Planting started abnormally early this year because we had some great soil temperatures and some dry conditions to get us started in early April. It was quickly followed by a cold spell, which concerned us for some imbibitional chilling and cold injury, and we have found quite a bit of varied emergence throughout the state, and we're finding a little bit of cold injury and imbibitional chilling injury, which caused some corkscrewing of the mesocotyl on corn and some leafing out underground. But we're continuing to monitor that variability and help farmers determine if there's a replant necessary on these farms. But in most cases, stands have been quite good, so we're not recommending a lot of replant scenarios. Into that later part of April, temperatures really turned around and we were about 10 degrees above normal, and it allowed about 50% of the corn crop to be planted right in that last week of April into early May, and about a third of the soybean crop. We had some welcome rain here in the first part of May, which much of the state needed. We're a little bit drier than we'd like to be in most of the state of Iowa, minus the southeast corner. We're about right on par to being normal for most years. For GDU accumulation as well, most of the state is just a couple days behind in GDU accumulation, while the southeast part of the state looks to be about a week behind in GDU accumulation. Now that we're moving into the second week of May, a lot of guys have finished or are about ready to finish both corn and soybean planting, and we're continuing to look at fields throughout the state of Iowa and monitoring that varied emergence that we're seeing throughout the state.